Hi there, students. To jump through hoops, or very often to make somebody jump through hoops. Okay, if you have to jump through hoops, you have to do a lot of things that seem difficult or unnecessary in order to get what you want. So I wanted to organise a meeting with the head of the company, and his secretary made me jump through hoops in order to set up that meeting. Yeah, I had to do all sorts of different things. I wanted to get my father admitted to an old people's home, and the system made me jump through a lot of hoops in order to get him admitted. So to jump through hoops, to face many complicated challenges in pursuit of something you want, especially challenges that seem excessive and arbitrary. The company made me jump through all sorts of hoops before they would give me a promotion. Or maybe when you want to buy a house, the bank will make you jump through all sorts of hoops to get a mortgage. Maybe I could find a bank that would make it easy instead of making me jump through hoops. So to do everything possible to please somebody or to obey somebody, to bend over backwards. She expects us to jump through hoops because she is so important. Yeah, what do you want me to do? To jump through hoops. The trainer of the team had had the members of the team jumping through hoops. If you want to get a work visa, you've got to jump through loads and loads of different hoops. Let's see. This has the idea of a circus animal jumping through hoops, or being trained to jump through hoops, or a dog being made to jump through hoops. Let's put some fire on this one and see if the dog can jump through that as well. So yeah, to get permission to do this, I had to jump through all sorts of hoops. A hoop is a big circle, so you've got to make extraordinary efforts. You've got to follow a specific procedure in order to get what you want. You have to jump through hoops. This is very often the idea of bureaucracy. Yeah, you have to put in a great effort to meet all of the arbitrary requirements. I really made the salesman jump through hoops before I decided to buy anything. Okay, so fulfill all sorts of requirements to make somebody do all sorts of things, particularly when these seem to be excessive, unreasonable. They're not something that seem necessary. In order to get a license from the council, I had to jump through all sorts of hoops to get it. Okay, so to jump through hoops, formality, I'm going to give it what? A 4.5 informality. 4.5. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not in something formal. And then you've got the idea of a circus animal jumping through hoops one after another, or being trained. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To jump through hoops.